Honor Band 4 is available in 3 colors: black, blue and pink. Featuring a 0.95-inch full-color touchscreen display made entirely of 2.5D glass, the Honor Band 4 watch face is sturdy and resistant to scratches. In a single full charge, it gives 17 days of standby time. The band is water-resistant up to 50 meters, which means you don't have to worry about removing the band when swimming or walking in the rain. The smart band automatically recognizes swimming strokes and records the relevant data such as swimming speed and SWOLF. The Honor Band 4 can track your fitness activities real-time. The band can provide real-time 24 hours heart rate monitoring, analyze your sleep patterns with the Huawei TruSleep technology, and track your daily steps as well. The band recognizes multiple workout types like swimming, cycling, etc. when paired with a Huawei phone. Get instant notifications when you get a call, receive messages via WhatsApp or SMS. Get alerts from apps like Uber. The Find My Phone feature allows you to ring your phone if it is misplaced. For Android users, it also has a phone unlock feature. The Honor Band supports online number identification. Inside the box, you will find one Honor Band, one strap, one charging cable, quick start guide and warranty card. This product comes with standard warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.